Let's talk about fasting and the healing wisdom of the body. We live in a miracle. The body's amazing functions, including healing, are miraculous beyond our comprehension. Fasting is one of the ways our bodies repair and heal themselves. The results you can achieve depend on the length of your fasting time. For instance, intermittent fasting is considered to be a 13 to 15 hour fast in which human growth hormone increases and fat burning begins. The next phase of fasting is autophagy, which starts approximately 16 to 18 hours into the fasting process. This term refers to the cellular detoxification and repair of the body. This results in reduced inflammation, improved immune function, balanced blood sugar and insulin levels with weight loss, and improved energy and focus. Now, 24-hour fasting, one meal a day, in addition to the previous benefits, a neurotransmitter, GABA, is produced, causing calmness and relaxation. Longer fasts also promote autoimmune healing and intestinal stem cell regeneration. So there are fasts that stretch 36, 48, and 72 hours and longer that have more health benefits, but these should be done under medical supervision. Here are some tips for a successful fast. Drink plenty of water. Lemon water is great. I use detoxification tea. I like this everyday detox by Traditional Medicinals. It has burdock in it and dandelion, which are great to cleanse the kidney and the liver. Also, apple cider vinegar with water is great. As you know, apple cider vinegar is a prebiotic, and electrolyte water. I use this great electrolyte drink powder here, mix. It comes in individual packets. It's great for traveling, and it has potassium in it, magnesium and sodium in it, perfect balanced amounts of electrolytes. Also, another tip is just support your cell's detoxification process with gentle movement, such as stretching, Pilates, and yoga. As your body adjusts to fasting, you may increase to moderate exercise. Break your fast with protein if you want to build muscle. Break your fast with fats if you want to allow your body to prolong autophagy. Pure fat will not raise blood sugars. So some of our pure fats might include olives, avocado, MCT oil, and nut butter. Another great tip is eat more hormone-building foods when not fasting so you don't deplete your hormones during the fasting period. Some hormone-building foods include yams, squash, green peas, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, berries, raw nuts, stuff like this. Another tip is avoid eating after 6. We want to quit eating after 6 and just start our fasting process. Start slowly with the number of fasting hours and build up to your desired fasting times. Also, another great tip is vary your fasting days and the lengths of your fasts for best results, because this increases metabolism. Remember that much fasting is done at night and while sleeping, so the fast you choose won't seem so long. Choose your fast according to what you want to accomplish. Then observe the body's miraculous work through fasting.